Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to search messages in WhatsApp. If you're trying to find an old conversation, a specific word, a phone number, or an important message without scrolling through hundreds of chats, this tutorial will guide you step by step. So let's get started. As you can see on the screen, open WhatsApp and stay on the Chats tab. At the top of the screen, tap the search icon. Now type the name of a contact, a phone number, or any keyword related to the message you're looking for. As you type, WhatsApp will instantly display matching chats and messages. Next, tap on the conversation you want to open. If you want to search within that specific chat, open the chat, tap the search option, and enter the word or phrase you want to find. WhatsApp will highlight every matching message in the conversation. You can use the up and down arrows to move between each search result until you find the exact message you're looking for. Once you've found the message, simply close the search box to return to your normal conversation. This feature is very useful for finding old messages, important information, addresses, links, or shared details without manually scrolling through your chats. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to search messages in WhatsApp. It's a simple but powerful feature that helps you quickly find the information you need. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future WhatsApp tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.